been waiting on this. I've been wanting this. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. I've been trying to manifest this. Your girl got her new TV console, and I'm super excited to share with you all the new piece that we've added to our home decor. This is just another part of the House to Home series that we are chugging along with. So we've completed pretty much a couple of rooms in the house. Just about, I would say 90% completed, and I have finally found my zhuzh and what I want my home to feel like and to represent. So it's more of a urban jazz speakeasy, just kind of like vibe. Like, I want it to be cozy, but I still want clean lines. I want it to be black and white, and I want it to be just everything that speaks of me and my style and what makes me feel good. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this video and talk about this TV console you see behind me and the reason for the decor that I chose to put on here, as well as, oh honey, the assembly. Let me tell you, it was me by myself, okay? Get your friend, somebody help you, honey, because it just took me a while because it's me by myself putting it together, and it's really heavy, really good quality, wood, you know, all the things. So let's get to it. I want to send a big thank you out to Houlte for sending over this piece for me to review. This is the Alvar Oak Media Console, which is 80 inches wide. So we're going to go ahead and do a little styling of this console table. Now I am going to use it as a TV console table because this is what I originally had a vision for. Not too long ago, I shared some pictures with you all that I got from Pinterest for inspiration. And I was saying I wanted a low profile TV console. I wasn't too much worried about the cords that I need to hide or anything like that. I just wanted something simple, sleek, black, elegant, and very heavy duty. So this one right here is made with mainly oak solid wood. It has a little bit of plywood and oak veneer as a finish, but when I tell you this thing is heavy, it is heavy. It fits 75 to 95 inch TVs and supports up to 200 pounds. This is definitely for a large space, a large wall, whether you want to do it for a large entryway, that would be nice as well, but it is simply beautiful. So it does come with a remote control for the LED light on the inside for your ambiance if you're interested. But I'm going to do a little bit of styling and a little bit of chatting about the console. So let's go ahead and add a little bit of decor on the top. I did pick up a few pieces recently. I just wasn't really satisfied with the stuff I've been seeing in stores, but I want to go ahead and try to use what we have, plus a few new pieces, and see if we can style the console. And in weeks to come, if we find the pieces that brings me joy, right, then I will add more to the console. But for right now, I'm going to style it with what we got. I mentioned recently that I was on Etsy looking for some pictures, some black and white art, some like urban art, or just art that moved me, some minimalist art pieces, maybe even jazz pieces. And I ran upon this picture. It was a digital art print on Etsy, and I ordered it. It was downloaded to me. I sent it over to Walgreens, used a little 50% off coupon, printed out for, I think it was $6. It does have like a glossy finish. I could have printed out in poster size and put it on a canvas and then use like a Mod Podge on top, but I went ahead and went with this size. I think it was 11 by 12. And so I wanted something simple, elegant to put in a black frame that I can put in front of the cord. That is a TV that's hanging on the wall, has that cord where you can see it. So I wasn't really trying to hide the cord, but I didn't want to make it so obvious either. So I went ahead and trimmed off the edges of the picture, put it into the glass frame, and then I'm going to go ahead and style it on the console. So this is something easy you can do for yourself too. If you're looking for certain artwork, you can afford to buy the larger pieces or pieces that have already been framed. You can ask for digital artwork, send it to like your FedEx, your CVS, your Walgreens, and have them printed for you. And then you can in turn frame it up yourself, or even take it to like a Hobby Lobby or something, have them framed. But I wanted something simple. I'm not looking for any expensive frames. I just want more black and white art, and this is an easier way and more affordable way for me to do so. Let's get into the built-in LED strip. So it is a strip light that can have mood lighting. So whether you want more of a cool tone, we go towards the more of the blue light, or more of the warm tone with the orange and the red. It's definitely a really nice added touch if you want to display something that you are wanting to, light up. Instead of having those cheap pop light inside your cabinets, this actually comes with its own LED strip. I did play with the remote just a little bit to see what it looks like. It looks like you can do like a sunrise, sunset type of situation. So it's pretty cool. It doesn't have to be extreme bright light if chilling in the evening, but you want a little ambience lighting. It's definitely perfect for that. I'm going to use this beautiful black stone container to house the remote for the TV as well as the console. And yeah, that way I know where they are. But we're going to go ahead and get to these beautiful doors that were inspired by the 18th century European castles. Really beautiful glass display doors. So if you want to display like glassware in your kitchen, or using this in the hallway, you want to display your beautiful bowls or your home decor, this will be perfect for that. I don't really have a lot of home decor that's just extra sitting around, so I'm going to definitely look for some beautiful stone pieces to put in here. I think that would look really nice. I love the magnetic closure on the door, and so as soon as it gets close enough to it, it will close on its own. This console does have media cable management holes in the back. So if you want to put something in there, like, I don't know, a device, some type of entertainment device, maybe even a record player, right? It has the holes in the back, so you can go ahead and feed the holes through. So overall, this is 79.9 wide, 17.7 in diameter, and then the height actually is 26 inches. So it looks taller than that. It actually feels taller than that. But the entire weight of the cabinet is 184.4 pounds. Now, it does have shell capacity of about 77 pounds. The cabinet itself says the capacity is 286 pounds, which is pretty good. So if you have a big heavy TV, you want to sit on top of it, it should be fine as long as you're within measurement. So I decided to add that small piece of another picture in front of the larger picture just to give it some extra, I don't know, I feel like it needed a little bit more layering on the right side. And so, yeah, that's about it for this cabinet. I'm not going to do too much. I'm not going to fill up the drawers or anything just yet because, like I said, I don't have a lot of decor just hanging around. But if I need somewhere to place some of my decor, some of my pillow covers or anything like that, I can definitely use this cabinetry for that. Now, my home is black, white, the creams, bits of grays. I am on the hunt, like I said, for another sofa, another rug. I am ready to start styling up this room. And I'm just taking it piece by piece, space by space, and just making sure that I am getting the pieces that I absolutely love. So not only is this serves its purpose, whether it is for storage or for holding a TV or for home decor, but it's very stylish and I love it. I love the design of it. I love the clean lines. I love that pop of that natural wood color on the inside, and I think it's perfect for my home. All right, so you've seen the video, you've seen the assembly. We talked about the piece and the quality, the heavy wood, all right, the soft close drawers, the beautiful magnetic cabinets, and the glass doors. We talked about it all. I've showed you up in close detail of the piece, as well as the decor that I chose to either flank both sides or to top the actual cabinet, and I love it. I love it. It's what I've always wanted. I've been trying to get something like this for the longest. I don't know, I just felt like, I didn't know how it would feel with something being so low, but I feel like it's not even that low anymore. I feel like it's a really good, it's where it's supposed to be. I think I was doing too much with the tall cabinets, doing way too much, and now I feel like with these, this looks so much better quality, really nice piece, something I can have for a long time to come. And I'm just ecstatic to have it. I will put all the information down in the description as well as in the pinned comments if you're interested. Let me know what you would do differently, if you would do something differently when it comes to the top or even the size of the cabinets or even on the inside. I don't want to put too much decor. I want to find like specific pieces. I'm looking for something maybe black, white, or like some cream color, not so stark white like I have right now. And yeah, y'all, I'm excited. So I wish I still had my son's old saxophone because I would probably put it on top of like this cabinet. Like I'm looking for that type of vibe. Like I want to get back into music, get back into painting and doing the creative side of my life that I used to like indulge in. Okay, your girl loves a good musical instrument, but I'm looking for more of that type of speakeasy, that more type of cozy yet elegant vibe. So when I think of my Vibe and Sip Cafe that we started working on, that we're, you know, pretty much almost done with just the little things I want to tweak to it, okay? Yeah, I feel like I'm going towards that, and I just want to make it a little bit more cozier and more inviting, I think. And then same thing for here. So I plan on possibly getting rid of these sofas really soon. I'm not sure when, and I would like to go with the cream colored sectional. And looks like my kids are pretty much wrong. I could do that, okay? And so I want more of that type of vibe in this room, and I feel like we're going towards that. I feel like we're doing piece by piece, corner by corner. So if you like that type of vibe and you're okay with someone not waking up and it's a whole video of a whole room completely done, and you don't mind going through the process of the change of the house to home and me finding my style, me finding my groove of what I really enjoy, like, and love, then go ahead and hit subscribe. Make sure you click the bell so you be notified each and every time I do an upload. Because honey, I will be here with the videos for the home for sure. because I am currently working on several rooms, okay? Just a little bit here and there, and eventually, like, it will all come together, right? It just is what it is. I just like to take my time, and I'm so glad I did, because during this process, I realized what I really like, what I really love, and it wasn't what I saw on other YouTube channels. It wasn't what I saw, thumbing through Pinterest so much. I just took a little here, a little there, a little bit of everything, and just kind of like starting to make it my style. And so I'm loving it. Okay. I'm just saying. So I'm so grateful they sent this piece out for me to share with you all, to, assemble, go through the whole process of learning about the craftsmanship of this piece, because it is good. It is good. Okay. I did not think it was going to be this heavy. I was wondering why it was coming in 2 boxes, 200 pounds about. Okay. Now I know why. Because it's good. All right, so check out the website. They have a lot of other pieces on there. There's a coffee table I'm actually interested in that I'll probably save towards to try to get. Really nice, good quality pieces. I can definitely say that. So shout out to Houlte for sending this over to me, and I will see you all in the next video. Hope you're having an amazing day. Peace and blessings.